Hey, it's Michelle Tam of Nom Nom Paleo, and I'm going to show you how to make a paleo and gluten-free version of a Chinese restaurant favorite, pepper steak. Grab some flank or flap steak and cut it into thin slices against the grain. Plop it in a bowl and marinate it with some water, arrowroot powder, coconut aminos, avocado oil, umami stir-fry powder, and baking soda. Toss and marinate for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. Make the sauce by whisking together a 1-to-1 mixture of chicken stock and my all-purpose stir-fry sauce, arrowroot powder, toasted sesame oil, and white pepper. Whisk well. Next, heat a large skillet over high heat, and when it's hot, add some avocado oil. Sear the beef about 30 seconds per side and stir fry until it's about 80% cooked. When the beef is done, transfer the cooked beef to a platter. Then reduce the heat to medium-high, add in some oil, and stir fry some sliced bell peppers and onions until crisp tender. Toss in some ginger and garlic, and saute until fragrant. Add the cooked beef back into the pan along with any accumulated juices. Pour in the sauce and toss everything until it's all well coated and the sauce has thickened. It's so easy and delicious, and your whole family will love it.